Get this fucking thing off here now.
I'm fucking really excited about this pool table. With the trip to fucking IKEA.
Alright, fuck it, we have to carry it home. They don't deliveries in here or what?
Get out my fucking Crocodile Dundee knife bear now and fucking, look at this.
Fucking, I'm flying up these fucking stairs.
Grab the legs. You got balls for there.
Aye, a couple of big ones.
Well, we know the answer to that, fucking no. Right then, we can just fucking burn all this shit. Fuck recycling. Wants a fortnight bullshit.
What the fuck? Where do I put these fucking things now, anyway? What the fuck? Oh, we got 4 balls, so we fucking got, man. Yeah. What the fuck? It's not even working properly, man.
It's not golf, mind you fucking thick fuck. Right, let's just burn our shit. Get that out the fucking way. Right, okay, so
What
left, up it goes. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh, look who done now, you dopey bastard. You snapped the
It was
fucking
you,
leg,
you fucking
man.
twat.
No, it was you,
Right,
man.
just prop it up like that. Right, it's alright, it's alright. It's not too bad.
Probably balls on it now.
Right, fucking trick shot bear now. You watch old Welsh trick. Oh, for fucking hell.
Oh, what the fuck?
I'm not, it's fucking 2 seconds and it's fucking broke.
Let's take it back. Take it back to the shop, come on.
We take it back.
What the
Hold
fuck
on.
is that
Try
now?
this now. This could substitute for a leg.
Right, I know. Put a load of fucking a load of books in there now. There we go.
There we are.
Brilliant, there we are.
Smash in.
I love this fucking blue ball now. And rub my arm on it.
I got a couple of blue balls as well.
Shine them up.
Ah, ha, ha. Right then. Fucking hell. Old Welsh trick bear now. Get up here, Matt, boy. Take a shot.
Oh, I can't climb. Fucking too high up.
Right. Fuck you then. Fuck. I suppose we could tell them we found it in this condition. Like, they're not gonna know that we fucking broke a fucking leg. Oh, fuck.
What the fuck? Oh, I'll just tape this up there now, you know, fucking cowboy.
Fucking, aye, old Welsh trick bear there. Tape it up, boy.
Tape everything up, image. We can't smash anything. Oh, look how new our Sanyo TV is. 50-inch screen.
Fucking hell. It's fucking Amstrad, innit? Right.
Fucking hell.
Watch this now. Trick shot bear. Oh, it's a bit slow.
What the fuck? How much we pay for this? You fucking wasted more money on this.
Fucking hell.
Fuck's sake, man.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
This is fucking going from bad to fucking worse today,
At
eh?
least it'll stop you watching fucking Love Island. It's a fucking blessing in disguise.
Hey, I fucking love my Love Island. It's better than you watching fucking Philip Schofield in the fucking morning, anyway. Get off that fucking table, anyway.
Oh, I like watching This Morning, or whatever the fuck it's called. Trick shot bear now. Watch
What are
this
you
now.
doing, man?
Watch now. Oh, Christ, I broke the fucking... Hold on now for a second, you fucking dick. Right,
yeah.
be back now. Out the way!
Christ, man.
We're gonna have a fucking table, ladders and chairs match bear now, and I'm gonna kick your ass.
Fucking pool I wanted to play, not fucking WWE.
Right, hold on. Slight adjustment to this fucking ladder bear now. Right then, much better. Fucking brilliant stuff.
Right, get up there now. Go on, get up there.
What the fuck have you got a brolly for?
Fucking energy saving light bulbs. It takes 4 hours to come on.
Right, trick shot bear now. Trick shot. Watch it, old Welsh trick. Oh, for the love
Oh my
of
God.
fucking...
You've smashed the energy saving light bulb, you
Right.
stupid big nosed twat.
Don't panic. Aye! Look at the size of your nose then.
Yeah, well, we twins, aren't we?
I suppose so, right.
Pop another one
Get
in there
another...
now.
fucking chuck that on there, look. My
yeah.
fucking egg poacher. There we go. Right, brilliant. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, dodgy as fuck this, isn't it?
Right, your goes here. 2 shots.
Watch the fire, man, you stupid. Oh, fucking hell, you cockhead. You're like fucking Barry Chuckles.
Jesus Christ, there's a fucking grenade, Eric.
Fucking hell, what the fuck are these balls made of?
Fuck knows. Come on, big nose. Let's get this game and fucking wrap it up, is it?
Fuck, I say we take it back to IKEA, like.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful. 2 shots.
2 shots? There's fucking only 2 fucking balls on a table, you stupid bastard.
All right.
Billions
Yeah.
this is, man. Fuck,
Yeah.
it's not working. Something's not working, right?
Right, 2 shots. Fucking brilliant stuff.
Worst game of pool I've ever been
Right,
involved
trick
in.
shot. Yeah, now old Welsh trick. Fucking to you.
Ah, you stupid bastard.
me. To you.
To you. What's this? A Chuckle Brothers episode? I fucking carry on like this.
Watch this now, fucking. I'm after you, cunt.
Fucking hell.
Oh shit.
Fuck, he's gone right in a fucking bog.
Fucking good old game of Welsh baseball.
Whoa, right down the hole.
Oh, that's gonna block a fucking drink.
Get down there and get it.
Oh Jesus, that's worse than a fucking Boxing Day log. That is.
Get down there, man. Go on.
Oh, builder, I am boy, not a fucking plumber.
Oh, fuck, man, I'm stuck there. Fucking hell, man.
Hold on a second, right. Hold on now, I got an old Welsh trick there now. When you ball is... Oh. Fucking
You
hell.
fucking penetrated it, but...
Fuck. How long has that apple been there, for Christ's sake?
Oh, fuck, since we moved in about 20 years, man.
Fucking rotten right through. Oh, now there's an idea. Fucking give me that leg a
This
sec.
is dodgy as
Right.
fuck, this is.
Close that a second now. Fuck yeah.
Right, let's play some Skittles on the front instead.
Hey, my go!
Right, I had one.
Oh,
You
I
had
got
one as
one!
well. Fucking hell, we do everything the same. Fucking hell, man.